Okay, I'm almost there. I just gotta finish this one level. Oh, come on. Hey Lloyd, what game are you playing? Oh, I'm playing The Legends of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. Why? Oh, that game came out already? Yeah, I'm playing as Zelda, the Knight. Lloyd, you do know that Link is the Knight in the Zelda franchise, right? I think Zelda's the Knight. I don't know what you're talking about, Kai. You've never played a Zelda game, have you? Nope, this is my first time. Why? Yeah, that figures. Oh, hey guys, how's it going? What are you guys doing here? Oh, hey Cole, I'm just playing the Zelda game. Zelda Tears of the Kingdom, I think? Right, Kai? Yeah, and you clearly don't know the characters, do you? Oh, Kai, don't be like that. Everyone has their chances, and not everyone's good at the game. Just give Lloyd some time, we'll get better at it. Cole, you literally yelled at me when we first played Cuphead together. We both suck, okay? Hey guys, sorry to interrupt whatever you guys are doing, but Zane needs you, like, real bad. It seems important, so, you might as well come. There we go. Almost done. Alright, Uba, I got this situated. Alright, Zane, what is it? Yeah, Zane, we were pretty busy upstairs. What's going on? Why'd you call us? Oh, good. You three are finally here. Huh. Wait a minute. Where's Lloyd? Oh, yeah, Lloyd, he said he couldn't come. He's too busy playing Legends of Zelda. So, what's the problem? Well, we have reports that some blizzard samurai warrior came out from a freezer outside the grocery store and is now on the streets causing havoc around Ninjago City, scaring pedestrians. Zane, you're telling me that the freezer turned evil? Gosh darn it, I knew we couldn't trust freezer compliances. Yeah, couldn't trust them. Oh, you three are instructed to go down there and figure out what the problem is and stop it. Okay, Zane, you coming? Actually, no. For two reasons. One, I have to finish working on Kai's X1 charge repairs, and two, my builder passed away years back, and this is his 10th year anniversary since he died. So I'm gonna be grieving for my builder. Alright, Zane, we understand. Wait, we do? Yes, we do, Kai. Alright, let's go. Cole, I'm so gonna kill you for this! Just be quiet, Kai, and hold on. Ah! Huh. We have arrived at our destination, Kai. You can get off now. Ah! Ow. I hate you. Well, well, well. Look who it is. A bunch of civilians. Ready to taste my internal frost. Oh my gosh, please. Please don't hurt us. Please, I have a wife and children. Dude, you're literally like a middle-aged dude. I don't think you have any children. Just shut up. I'm trying to be an innocent person. Anyway, this would be great for my viewers. But the ones I posted, great, we're all dead. Now, taste my internal frost. There's nothing to stop me. Nothing at all. Well, I guess we're all gonna be frozen. Oh well, my product truck does need some frozen apples. People do love those. Now, say goodbye to your home world while it becomes a frozen wasteland. Ah! Well, well, what do we have here, guys? A frozen samurai warrior. Oh my gosh, the frozen refrigerator came to life. Well, is it my old pals, the ninja? Came here at last to give up your life. Well, taste my internal winter. Don't worry, guys. I got this. Oh. Oh man, he like hits like a tank. Oh, hey Cole, how are you doing, right? Yeah, my life is great. So, any plans? You guys do know you guys can pitch in as well, so, you guys want to do something or we're all dead? I got an idea. Things are about to get hot. Literally. Oh, you can't possibly be joking. What are you doing? You're burning me. Exactly my point. Fire! Oh, no. Uh, uh, uh. Hi. You did it. You stopped him. Huh, Freddy. I guess I did. Man, I haven't had this feeling since I defeated Aspira. This is a good feeling. Really good. Hold on, Kai. Is he alright? Is he dead? No, Cole, he's fine. He's just unconscious from all the heat. He got a heat wave. He'll be fine. Okay, that's good, because Zane asked me to tell you to take him back to the monastery for some testing. Okay, roger that, Cole. Also, sorry for the inconvenience, citizens. You are now safe. Hope this wasn't any problems. It has got me a lot of views on Twitter, so, thanks, Ninja. Are you kidding me? We almost died. Technically it was only one guy, so it wasn't that bad. You guys are welcome. Alright, let's take this guy back to the monastery and figure out where he came from. Whoever this blizzard thing is, we'll get you back to your home and find out the truth of where you came from.